Hi guys, this is Sujata and you're watching Grammaring, English Grammar for ESL students. In today's class, we are going to discuss the meaning and usage of the phrasal verb turn down. The phrasal verb turn down has many meanings. In this class, we are going to discuss one, which means to reject something. You might reject a job offer. You might reject a help. You might reject an advice. You might reject money also. Turn down means to reject or refuse to consider an offer, a proposal, etc. It means to refuse to accept or agree to something, to refuse someone's request. Look at this example sentence. Why did she turn down your invitation? It means, why did she refuse to accept your invitation? Why did she reject your invitation? Another example is for you. I applied for a business loan, but for some reason I got turned down. It means I applied for a business loan, but for some reason I got rejected. So, turn down means refuse to accept something, reject something.